Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is next level. We're always looking for the best and juiciest meats. But now we're flipping the script. We're going 180. We're looking for dry meat. Don't walk away, stay here. We're not gonna be eating dry meat. Well, we're not gonna be making beef jerky either, but it's not gonna be horrible. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. And when we're finished with this video, I'm gonna promise you, you're gonna be making this yourself. You see, Morrison and I were cooking the other day, and we made something that is, to me, very simple and very ordinary. It's a cooking technique where you cook the meat until it's completely dry, and then it becomes crispy. And I never realized that this is actually something that we need to discuss because it's extraordinary. It delivers you something, it gives you something by taking something out of it. And it's just too simple. That's what it is. It's so simple, but so good that we need to talk about it, and we need to make it a topic, and we need to build a recipe around it. Let's fire up a Kamado Joe and start cooking. I've set the grill up for direct grilling, so the heat is coming straight up because we're gonna use a pan. But that's for later. Let's start prepping first.
You forgot the camera.
Oh, oh! It's still fine. It's fine, Morrison. It's fine. You're fine. To prove that this works, we're going to make two recipes. For the first recipe, we're going to make something amazing. It's going to be so tasty and so delicious, it's going to blow your mind. For that, we're going to need to cut up a red onion and season some minced meat. Whisk up a quick vinaigrette, and we can move on to the second recipe. I'm going to cut up a tomato for it, season some chicken, and that's basically it. Now we're ready to crank up the heat. This is what I've been doing for a long, long time, so it's nothing new, but it's something that I've never given any thought. So far, nothing special's happening. We're just frying up some chicken in a cast iron pan in our Kamado Joe, just a recipe like any other. And normally I would stop now because our chicken is juicy. Look, if you can shred it, it's still juicy on the inside, and it looks absolutely fantastic. So basically you would stop and you would have great chicken. But not now. We're going to continue to bake it. We're going to keep on going until there's no moisture left in the chicken. Yes, it's now perfect. Super, super crispy. Now that our chicken is fried, it's time to start frying our minced meat. And we want to have a loose structure of minced meat. That's going to give you the best result. And normally this is where I would stop frying our minced meat. The juices are running out, the meat is clearly cooked. But not this time. No, we're going to keep going. Our minced meat is fried up, and I'm going to add our last secret ingredient, sweet chili sauce.
I thought it was a family secret.
It's a recipe.
Start with a crispened up bun, a little bit of arugula, some red onion, vinaigrette, mayonnaise, our crispened up minced meat, some chili sauce, and put the cap on. And the second recipe starts with a toasted tortilla, some salsa, some fresh sliced tomatoes, and of course, mayonnaise. The crispened up chicken, some grated Gouda cheese, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and to finish it off, some red onion. Now roll it up and enjoy the show. And the crispiness is the secret. It's the whole other dimension. It's the part that it just, you know, it screams, eat me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is next level. What? See, I got a puncher. Come on.
Punish.
Oh. This is what you're getting for making the dog the star of the show. The dog gets an attitude. That's a problem. I think we're just gonna have to eat the sandwiches just to prove the point, right?
Wow. Ooh. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow. That's one crazy sandwich. Never had something like that before.
This is what you can wake me up for in the middle of the night. It truly is. I had something like this once, and it was at a sandwich shop, and they made it with lamb meat, and it was great. But this,
You don't lose anything here. You just gain. You gain and you gain and you gain. I wish I could order this on Thuisbezorgd. It's like the Uber Eats of the Netherlands.
but this video is not about these sandwiches. It, in reality, is about the crunch and looking at things from another perspective. Like, we crispen up bacon all the time. Why don't we crispen up other things? Just give it a try, you know. If you're making something, if you're making quesadillas, you're going to put meat in it, why not crispen it up, see what happens, and then maybe you get a better sandwich. Let's go for that chicken now.
And again, the chicken carries the whole dish. You need that crunchiness. And it doesn't matter that there's no fat anymore. It's just plain simple. You add good flavors to crunchy meat and it becomes amazing. If you can recreate this with vegan things, I might eat it once a month. Once a month. No, I'm not becoming vegan. I would eat a little bit less meat if vegan products are like this, but they're not. You're not there. But there's a really upside to this. This is not a lot of meat, right?
More so. This was 2 packs of chicken.
Really?
Yes.
You do need a lot of meat. I don't care. It was amazing.
So, you're telling me that you had this with lamb, and we're still not making it with lamb. What's going on here? I don't know.
This is better.
I don't know. I'm kind of curious about the lamb.
I promise.
Yeah? I'm still curious about it. Doesn't go away. That curiosity, it doesn't fade.
So you make it this weekend with them,
Yeah.
and let us know how it turned out.
All right.
Let's give the dog some too. I hear a lot of comments, feed the dog, don't feed the dog. We're feeding the dog. It's a barbecue dog. And we need to know if you want to know more about the dog. Should we like make a video about the dog? The dog loves to eat barbecue food. She absolutely loves it. And it's good for her because it makes her happy. Like, this is not the healthiest food in the world. It's not good for us. It's not good for the dog. But
No,
hey, we're happy.
You should see what she eats for the rest of the week. You don't want that. That's hard. A dry
Yeah, brokken.
brokken.
Dog definitely, she never eats her tomatoes. That's a problem. We're trying to get her to eat the tomatoes so she can eat a whole burger, but she won't eat the bun.
So thank you guys for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hope to see you guys next time.
Big thanks to our patrons.
En our YouTube members.
Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling.